Hello everyone and welcome back to our English listening channel. My name is Bella, and today I have a very calm and simple English story for you. In this video, we will go together to a cozy coffee shop in the city. You will listen to an easy conversation with very clear English and very slow speaking. This story is perfect for beginners who want to practice listening, learn new vocabulary, and understand real daily conversations in English. Please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story little by little. You do not need to understand every single word immediately. Just listen, follow the conversation, and enjoy the experience. Today you will hear many useful words about drinks, food, coffee, desserts, tables, menus, and friendly conversation inside a coffee shop. Before we begin the story, I have a small listening challenge for you. During the conversation, one special dessert will be mentioned many times. Please listen carefully and try to discover which dessert Bella chooses at the coffee shop. When you know the answer, write it in the comments in English. Small challenges like this can help your listening become stronger and better every day. All right. Are you ready to practice English with me? Let's begin our story. Good afternoon. This coffee shop looks very warm and peaceful today. I really like the soft music, the smell of fresh coffee, and the comfortable chairs near the window. Outside, the weather is a little cold, so this feels like the perfect place to sit down, drink something hot, and relax for some time. I usually come here after walking around the city because the atmosphere is calm and friendly. Every time I enter this coffee shop, I feel comfortable and happy because the workers are kind and the food is always fresh and delicious.
Hello, Bella. It is very nice to see you again today. I was sitting near the window and drinking a cup of hot coffee when I saw you enter the coffee shop. This place really feels peaceful in the afternoon. The music is quiet, the lights are soft, and there are not too many people today, so it feels calm and relaxing. I also like coming here because the workers remember the customers and always smile when people arrive. The smell of coffee and warm bread makes the place feel very cozy, especially on colder days like today.
Yes, I completely agree with you. I walked for almost 30 minutes before coming here, so now I feel a little tired and hungry. I think I want to order something warm and sweet today, because the weather outside is making me cold. When I entered the coffee shop, I immediately smelled chocolate and fresh bread near the counter. And now I cannot stop thinking about desserts. I usually order coffee with milk because the taste is soft and smooth, but today I also want to try something different with my drink.
That sounds like a very good idea. Today I ordered a large cappuccino with extra milk, and I also bought a warm sandwich with cheese and tomato. The sandwich is simple, but it tastes very fresh and delicious. I think this coffee shop prepares food very carefully because everything always tastes homemade and natural. I noticed that many people here like sweet desserts too. Earlier, I saw a woman eating a large piece of chocolate cake, and honestly, it looked amazing. The chocolate smelled rich and sweet even from my table near the window.
Oh no, now you are making me think even more about chocolate cake. I love chocolate desserts because they always make me feel happy and comfortable. Sometimes after a long day, a simple dessert and a warm drink can completely change my mood. I think today I want to order a hot latte and maybe a slice of chocolate cake too. I remember eating chocolate cake here one time last month, and it was soft, sweet, and very fresh. The cake had warm chocolate inside, and the top had a little cream and chocolate powder.
That sounds delicious. I think you should definitely order it again today because the desserts here are usually very fresh in the afternoon. I was looking at the menu before you arrived, and I noticed they added some new drinks and desserts recently. They now have caramel coffee, vanilla cookies, strawberry cheesecake, and even iced chocolate drinks. But honestly, I still think the chocolate cake is one of the best things on the menu. Many customers order it because it is soft, rich, and not too sweet. It goes very well with hot coffee or warm milk.
I want to look at the menu carefully before I decide, because everything sounds so good today. Sometimes choosing food in a coffee shop is difficult because there are too many delicious options. I can see pictures of muffins, cookies, cakes, sandwiches, and pastries on the menu board near the counter. The muffins look very soft, and the cookies look fresh from the oven. I also see cinnamon rolls with sugar on top, and now I feel even more hungry than before. Maybe I should order more than one dessert today, because everything looks amazing.
I understand exactly what you mean because I always have the same problem in this place. Every time I come here, I tell myself that I will only buy one coffee, but then I see the desserts and change my mind immediately. The workers arrange the desserts very beautifully inside the glass display near the counter, and it is impossible not to look at them. The brownies look dark and rich, the cakes look soft and creamy, and the pastries smell warm and buttery. This coffee shop really knows how to make people feel hungry.
I think I am finally ready to order now. I want a large hot latte with extra milk, and I also want one big slice of chocolate cake. Maybe later I will also buy cookies to take home because I enjoy eating something sweet while watching movies at night. I love calm evenings with tea, cookies, soft blankets, and relaxing music. Sometimes simple moments like that are the best part of the day. After busy hours outside, it feels nice to return home, relax quietly, and enjoy small happy things.
That sounds like a perfect evening to me. I also enjoy relaxing at home after long days at work or after walking around the city for many hours. Usually I make tea, sit near the window, and listen to soft music while reading books or watching videos online. Calm evenings help me feel peaceful and rested. Life can become very busy sometimes, so small moments of comfort are important. I think coffee shops are special because they create that same peaceful feeling even when people are outside their homes.
Yes, exactly. That is one reason why I love coffee shops so much. They feel warm, calm, and welcoming. People can come here to study, talk with friends, read books, or simply sit quietly and relax. Sometimes I even bring my notebook here, because I enjoy writing while listening to quiet music and drinking coffee slowly. The atmosphere helps me think clearly and feel creative. Even the sound of cups, coffee machines, and quiet conversations makes the place feel comfortable and alive at the same time.
I think many people feel the same way. Earlier today, I saw a student reading near the corner table, and another person was working on a laptop while drinking tea. Some people were talking quietly, and others were simply sitting alone and enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. This coffee shop feels like a small escape from the noisy streets outside. Inside here, everything feels slower, warmer, and more comfortable. It is nice to have places where people can relax and forget stress for a little while.
I can already smell fresh coffee coming from the counter now. And honestly, it smells wonderful. The smell of coffee always makes me feel calm and awake at the same time. I also see someone carrying a plate with chocolate cake, and it looks even better than I remembered. The cake looks soft, rich, and full of warm chocolate inside. I really hope my slice looks exactly like that because now I am very excited to eat dessert and drink my latte slowly while we continue talking here together.
I think your order is coming now because I can see the worker carrying a large cup and a dessert plate toward our table. The latte looks very warm and creamy, and the chocolate cake looks soft and fresh. There is also chocolate powder on top of the cake and a little cream on the side of the plate. Honestly, this dessert looks even better than the cakes I see in many expensive restaurants. The smell of warm chocolate and coffee together is making me hungry again, even though I already finished my sandwich earlier.
Oh wow, this looks absolutely delicious. The latte feels very warm in my hands, and the smell is sweet and comforting. I like when coffee is smooth and creamy instead of very bitter. Let me try the chocolate cake now. Wow, this cake is incredibly soft and rich. The chocolate inside feels warm, and the cream on top makes the flavor even better. I am very happy that I decided to order this dessert today, because it tastes fresh and homemade. Sometimes simple desserts can feel very special when they are prepared carefully.
I can tell you really like it because you smiled immediately after the first bite. I think desserts taste even better when people eat them slowly in peaceful places like this coffee shop. Many people eat too quickly when they are busy, but here everything feels calm, so it is easier to relax and enjoy small details. Even listening to the soft music while drinking coffee feels comforting. I think this is why so many people return here again and again during the week.
Yes, that is very true. Sometimes people forget to slow down and enjoy simple moments. Drinking coffee slowly, talking with someone, and eating good food can make a normal day feel much happier. I also enjoy watching people inside coffee shops because everyone is doing something different. Some people are laughing with friends, some are studying quietly, and others are simply resting after work. It feels interesting and peaceful at the same time. Places like this make the city feel more friendly and warm.